what we have learned. So here we are going to use a trial version of Gemini for text summarization using a pre-trained model, which is a pre-trained model. So first of all, we are installing Google GenAI Gradio, Google GenAI and Gradio, because we will be using Gradio as a web interface to put in to give our input and get an output out of that. So first of all, we have to go to this site and create our key. You can click on create API here and you can give your name to any key and you can create it from here. Once that is created, for me it is already created here. And once it is done, you can copy your key, which we do not have to share. We have to keep it as a secret. Then then install Google GenAI and Gradio and then run it. Once it has run successfully, uh, we will we will be coming here and we'll go to add new secret. We'll give a name to our key and we will be pasting the key that we have copied from here. We'll paste it and then just take this code from here. Just after your import Gradio and import Google from GenAI, you can copy that command here. Give your key name here, and after that, in here we can give our key name. We just copy the complete line from this. This particular line holds the value of our key, Gemini key. We pass it here, and then after that, here we are defining a method which will be checking the text that we will be passing in the Gradio as an input is null or it's just a single word. But if it is a single word or it's null, this error message will be thrown. And if it is not the case, then the response should be this. We are using model name as a Gemini hyphen 2.5 hyphen flash. Content, this will be displayed in the Gradio. Then we are returning the response. Exception error we are handling here. After that, here we are launching our Gradio, giving input parameters for the Gradio and then iface.launch. Once I run this, this is what I get here. So let me see if okay. I am just copying some text in the input and I'm submitting it. And here we get an output of summarization of data that I have passed. That's all we have done here.